Welcome to this video lecture. Myself Atul Kumar, working as an assistant professor in Department of Computer Science, Rajiv Gandhi Memorial, Government College, Jogindarnagar. In this video lecture, I will show you how to create variables in Python, how to input and output data in Python with the help of input function and print statement in case of Python. Also, I will show you how to use different kind of operators in different programs, small programs in Python language. So let us start this demonstration. Firstly, I will open idle Python language interpreter 3.9. So now it is opening. So this one is a interactive Python 3.9 interpreter. Whatever you write, it will give you uh, result accordingly interactively. So just I typed here a is equal to 10. When I want to know the value or I want to get the output what is stored in a, so just type a here and it will give you output 10. So so firstly I will show you how to create variables. So variables are any names that are given to different identifiers or values. Suppose I want to store the age of a person. So to store the age of person, let us consider a variable I have created age, and just I have given the value 10. So age is the variable, age is the name of the variable, and the value stored in this variable is age 10. So I want to just get the value from this age. So 10 is stored, and this is the way how to create variable age. Now just I want to type age here. The first letter is capital, and suppose the value here is also 20. So just I want to get the value age from here. Now you can see here the first letter here is capital, and in this case the first letter here is small. So this one is different variable from this differs from this variable that have a uppercase first character. So all the variables have different if the same variable in the different uppercase or lowercase different characters, so they are actually different. Also we can use underscore special character to create a variable. So suppose birth is equal to uh, January. It is actually a string kind of variable. So what I want to get the value of birth, so it will print January. This is a kind of string variable. String is set of characters, or a combination of characters is called as string. So you can store any kind of value, whether it is a number or it is a letter. And in case of letter in Python, it is basically called as a string. So string is a set of characters in case of Python, and it is also a data type in Python. Next I will show you how to input a number or how to get the input from the keyboard with the help in Python. So to just demonstrate this, I will just go to file and then new file. I will write the script for this, and in this script it is actually the basically the program to input a number from a keyboard and just print that number uh, or to get the output what is stored, what I have inputted from the keyboard. So just I am writing a comment here. This program demonstrate the use of input function and print function in Python. So this is basically a comment in Python. So if you want to write a comment in Python, so there are two ways. Firstly, you just write with the help of hash operator. Just start or write hash and then just write your comment, and this one is a comment. This can't be interpreted in case of your Python language. This is basically give you the information about what is happening in this program. So this is if you want a single line comment, then use hash as a single line comment. If you want a multiple line comment, then you can use you can just type with the help of three double quotes, and in three double quotes whatever you write, like I will write name is author name, author name Atul Kumar, and programmer, and then I close this comment with the help of three inverted commas. So this is a multiple line comment. And just now I am going to start how to input a number with the help of keyword. So suppose the name of the variable is first num, and I want to input from user. So input is a function. When you just write input and then start write the left bracket, or then it will just show you what is the use of this input function. So input is basically to get the input from the user. So here enter first number, enter your number, enter your number. Now one thing I want to tell you here, that in case a input is a function that takes string, a data is taken by this input function in the form of string. So to convert this data into a integer form, just proceed it with the int data type. So whatever you just enter in from the keyboard, that is taken in the form of string, and when you proceed this with the help of int, then it is again converted into integer data type. Next I want to print this number what I have entered. So print is a statement that is used to print any kind of value. Whatever you write in this inverted commas, that is printed as such, like you enter number, whatever you want to write here. So you enter number, next, and just it is basically a formatting, nothing else. What is the number that is stored in this variable, that is first num. So I will just write here first num and close the bracket. So this one is the actually basically a program to just enter the number and just print the number. Let us run this program. Firstly you have to just save this program, and it will ask for the location where you want. Suppose I want to just save this program in desktop, and the name of suppose my first program, I just enter my first program and save. Now enter, it will just ask you enter a number, so I will enter 67, so you enter number 67. So in this way, with the help of input function, you can just input from the keyboard, and with the help of print statement you just print that number or anything into the screen or your uh, monitor screen, or just take the output hard copy as a output. Next I will demonstrate you the use of operators. So I have discussed different type of operators in my video lectures, like Python supports arithmetic operators, uh, also support logical operators, relational operators are there, assignment operators are there. So arithmetic operators we have like 2 plus 3, 5 is equal to 7, so plus is the arithmetic operator. 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3, it is also a arithmetic operator. We have a star operator to multiply a number, and we have a double star operator to just power to get the exponential of a given number. So it means 2 raised to power 5, and the result is 32. Also for division we have a integer division or another division. Suppose I just write 7 by 2, then it will give you 3.5. it is a floating point. It will also give you result in uh, floating point or decimal points when you use a single slash. When you use a double slash, then it will truncate the decimal value, and it will just give you integer value. So it is a kind of integer division. Suppose double slash, when you use double slash, so it will truncate this decimal part. So suppose 7 by 7, 11 by 2 is 5.5, 13 by 6 is 2.16. Suppose 13 point, I want to truncate this decimal part, so I will use double slash, and it is a integer division. 13 by 6, 13 double slash 6, and it will give you a result 2. So this is these are basically arithmetic operators in Python. Next I will demonstrate you the use of these operators with the help of a simple program. So the simple program I am writing here is um, program to just program to input marks scored by the student in 3 subjects and compute the percentage obtained. the percentage obtained So this one is a simple program. Just you want you have to input a marks that is scored by a student in 3 subjects and compute the percentage. So suppose the first subject is uh, physics. So physics, and the variable I have used here is phy physics. So the marks I will enter in integer form. Enter marks in physics Next, computer. Next subject is computer, so same statement, int input, enter marks in computer. So it will also show you which bracket you as closing, then it will show you with blinking type. Next subject is math, so int input, enter marks in maths. So just give some space here for just better formatting. It is just for formatting, you can do it by your own. Next, to find the percentage, firstly we have to calculate the total. So just I am created a variable total, and total is the total of 3 marks obtained in 3 subjects, that is PHY plus COMP plus math MATH. When I just this expression is to create the or to find the total of subjects or marks obtained in all the subjects by the student. And then there is a formula, that is a percentage, and I have created a variable percentage, and percentage is equal to total. What is the formula to just uh, create the to find the percentage? Total number of marks, and suppose the marks each subject is of 100 marks, so it is 300 total marks and multiply by 100, so it will just give you the percentage. Next, I want to print the total marks of the student. Total marks obtained is, and where the total marks stored, the total marks stored in the variable total, so total. Next, I want to print the percentage obtained, so percentage obtained is this one, and where the percentage is stored, percentage in percentage variable. So this is all about this program to input marks scored by the student in 3 subjects and compute the percentage. Now let us run this program. Firstly, it will ask you to save the program, so enter marks in physics. Suppose I enter 78, suppose I enter 67, and suppose here I enter 87. So this one is the total marks obtained is 232, and the percentage obtained is 77.3333, like this. Suppose you want to truncate this integer part, decimal part, so just use here as a double integer, and now run this program, double integer division, and just run here. The source is modified, again 78, again 67, again 87, and oh sorry, total, no, single, it is also a single division. Next, type of program I want to showcase you to just convert the temperature from program to convert temperature in degree Celsius from Fahrenheit to Fahrenheit, Fahrehre and Fahrenheit to Celsius. No, from Celsius to Fahrenheit, that I have discussed in my video lectures. Celsius to Fahrenheit, FAH. So just I delete this. So firstly I will take a input in Celsius. Celsius is equal to input is a function and enter temperature in Celsius, degree Celsius, whatever you want to write here, degree Celsius. Just close, and we know input function takes input in the form of string. So to convert this into integer or float, if you want the temperature in decimals, then use this data type float. So the first statement is completed. The second is to convert, and the formula here is Fahrenheit 9 divided by 5 and multiply Celsius plus 32. This one is the formula. So now this statement converts the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Next we have to just print whatever is in Fahrenheit. So firstly the converted temperature in Fahrenheit is, and where it is stored in the variable FAH. So this one is all about to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Just run this program. Source must be saved, so okay. Just type here 37.4 and it is 99.32. Human temperature is 98 human body normal temperature 98.32. it is I think 37 degrees Celsius. Let us see. So again run this program. 37 I type here, so it is 98.6. so it is actually the normal human body temperature. So I am just giving you assignment, and what is the assignment here? Just write a program to convert a temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. I showcase you the program to convert a temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and you have to write a program to convert a temperature. What you have to write, just I am writing here program to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So next I have discussed about relational operators. So we have different kind of relational operators like less than, equal to, greater than equal to, and the value they will show either true or false. suppose 7 greater than 6. So this statement is true, so it will return true. 4 greater than equal to 4, this is also true, as 4 is equal to 4, so it is true. And 4 greater than equal to 7, so it is false. So these are different kinds of operators. Like 1 not equal to 1, it is a syntax error, it is not taking this, so I am just using another not equal to sign, that is 1 no exclamation mark equal to 1. So it is true, no it is false, so it will give you a false result. And 2 is not equal to 7, it is true, as 2 is not equal to 7, so it is true. So this is a kind of relational operators. Next I have discussed about logical operators. So we have three kinds of logical operators like and, or, and not, and these logical operators are used to combine one or more relational expressions that result in the formation of complex logical expression. So I'm just giving you simple example like 0 or 1, sorry, 0 or 1. So what will be the output? So if it will give you true, so it will give you the actually the value that is stored, that is just you have typed. So here I am typing 1, so it will give the output 1, sorry, 0 or 1, so it will give the output 1. Suppose I am writing here 0 or 5. So the if one is true and other is false, in case of or, it always give you true, and in this case it will print the value. So it will print here 5, sorry, 0 or 5, so it will give you the value 5. Again in case of and, 0 and 6, so if one of the input is 0, then it will or false, then the result is always false, so it will give you the result 0. Suppose 3 and 4, what will be the output? The output is 4 in this case, as first value is true, and then it will check to the second value, it is also true, and it will just print the last value in case of and. But in case of or, suppose I am just typing 0 4 and the next value is 0, so first value is true, then it will just print true and print the first value, as in case of or, the next whatever be the next value, the result is always true, so the result here is 4. Next is uh, 0 or 4 or 5, so or sorry, or 5. So what will be the output here? The output here is the first non-zero value. Then here in case of or, so here the first non-zero value is 4, so the output is 4. And suppose the same example is with the and operator, 0 and 4 and 5. So what will be the output? The last non-zero value, and sorry, the first input is false, that is 0, then it will never go to the next, and the result is 0. Suppose now 4 and for 6 and 5, so it will go to the last value and print 5. So that's I want to show you that Next I want to show you about uh, assignment operator. So assignment operator is nothing but it is like this. Suppose we have a variable y and I have assigned a value 4. So 4 is assigned to the variable y, so it is a assignment operator. I want to check what is the value stored in this y, so y is equal to 4. We have different kind of assignment like plus equal to uh, star equal to. So suppose y is equal to this and I am using this plus equal to 6. So what is actually going on here, that is y is equal to y plus 6, and what is the value of y is equal to 4, and in this value it will just change to y is equal to y plus 6, that is 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So now I want to just print the value of y, so it is 10. So next assignment operator, like we have star by star equal to 2. So the value of y is 10. Y is equal to 10 plus 10 multiplied 2 is 20. So here now the value in y is stored is 20. So 20 is the result. Similarly, we have another kinds of operators like unary operator, plus and minus. So just the operator use one operand as a value. So the minus unary operator is just for signing. So what will be the output of this? We have a minus 8 and we have a minus sign after in outside this bracket. So the result is 8. So this unary minus is only is basically for the signing purpose, whether the value is negative or value is positive. Next, the operators I have discussed is membership operator, and in case of membership operator I have discussed in and not in operator. So suppose I have given the example dog in hot dog, hot dog, dog. So what will be the output here? It will be true or false? Most of you will give true, as dog in dog. Yeah, it is true. But here the first letter of dog is D is small here, and in hot dog it is capital. So it will return false. So next we check dog in hot dog. Now it's dog in hot dog, each character match with the character of the hot dog, so it will return true. Next operator is not in operator. So in case of not in, suppose the same example, dog not in, not in hot dog, it is false, as dog in hot dog. Next I have discussed about identity operator, and different kind of identity operators I have discussed is and is not. So to showcase the example of is type, so this one is actually basically a function type, and it returns the type whatever you write inside this bracket. So it is a 3, and 3 is of integer type, so it returns true or false. It returns the type. So type 3 is a members identity operator, and I am just asking, it will return int. I am just asking is int whether the type of this is integer or not. Yes, it is integer, so it will return true. So just I am writing here type is type 3 and is float. So I'm asking whether the type of the number 3.0 is float. Yes, it is true. Now the next showcase example is type 3.0 is int. So it is integer? No, it is a decimal point value, and in decimal number, or it is a floating point number actually, so it returns false. So all these are different operators used in Python. You can make a program with the help of these operators. Also, I have discussed about operator precedence and associativity. To just showcase this, I'm just writing 6 plus 4 multiply 5. So in case of operator associativity and precedence, the star operator is higher precedence as compared to plus operator. So it is evaluated first. So 5 into 4 is 20, and 20 plus 6 is 26. So the result must be 26. And suppose we want to change the associativity, or we want to change the precedence, so we can change with the help of parenthesis. So in parenthesis, just I am writing 6 plus 4 and multiply 5. Now the answer may be different in this time. 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 multiplied by 5 is 50, so the result is 50. So in this way you can change the precedence of operators in case of Python language. So all in this video lecture, this is all about operators and input output statements. Thanks for watching this video lecture.